going to learn a new lesson, states of matter. Look around. We see many things. Examples: book, box, pen, purse, duster, bottle, water, air, plants, animals, human beings, etc. These are all things made up of matter. In nature, everything is made up of matter. Let's learn in detail. States of matter. Look at these things. These things have different sizes, texture and shapes. All things in the universe are made up of materials. Properties of materials. Materials is also called matter. The food we eat, the air we breathe, plants and animals, doors and windows, stars, a small particle of sand, all are matter. All these things occupy space and have mass. All materials are not same. We identify them in different ways by touch, color, taste, smell, hardness, etc. These characters that help to identify a particular material are called properties of that material or matter. By touch, some materials are very smooth and some are rough to touch. By hardness and softness, when we press bricks, we feel that is hard. When we press wool bundle, we feel that it is soft. By shape, some materials have definite shape and some do not have. Example, clay and shape, they do not have definite shape. When we apply pressure, they change their shape. Some materials allow light to pass through them and some do not. Materials that allow light to pass through them are called transparent materials. Example, glass, colorless polythene, etc. Opaque materials. Materials that do not pass light through them are known as opaque materials. Example, metals, wood, book, apple, brick, etc. Materials that allow light to pass through them partially are called translucent materials. Example, frozen glass, tissue paper, tinted glass, colored plastics, etc. Other properties of materials. Some materials conduct heat and some do not. Stir boiling water with two kinds of spoons. One is spoon, one is steel and other one is wooden. After 5 minutes, we find that the wooden spoon does not get heated up. Wooden spoon garam nahi hota, but steel spoon becomes hot. So, metals conduct heat, but the non-metals do not. Some materials dissolve in water and others do not. Salt dissolve in water to form solution. It is called soluble materials. Salt and sugar are soluble materials because they dissolve in water. Sand and chalk powder are insoluble materials because they do not dissolve in water or any liquid. Matter. All matter consists of small particles called molecules. Molecules further consist of small particles called atoms. These states of matter is due to difference in the arrangement of the atoms or molecules of the matter. States of matter. Due to the arrangement of molecules, Matter exists in three different states: solids, liquids, gases. We can touch solids, we can touch these materials, we can hold this in our hands. Liquids, we cannot hold these things in our hands. And gases, we cannot hold these things in our hands. Solids को हम पकड़ के छू सकते हैं, liquids को हम हाथ में hold नहीं कर सकते, पकड़ नहीं सकते, लेकिन वो पानी liquid मतलब ये पानी जैसा बहता है. Liquids means पानी जैसे पदार्थ. Gases ये हवा होता है. In solids, molecules are very closely packed. इसी वजह से इनका ठोस शेप होता है. In liquids, molecules are loosely packed. In gases, molecules are loosely packed with more space. Solids have definite shape and boundaries. Liquids have no fixed shape and take container shape. Gases no fixed shape. Solids have fixed volume. Liquids have fixed volume and can flow. Gases no fixed volume. Examples of solids: ice, bricks, wood, watch, etc. Examples of liquid: milk, water, juice, oil, etc. Gases: filled in gas cylinders, gas filled in fire extinguisher, balloons, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. Change of state of matter. Matter changes from one state to another state by heating or cooling. Ice is the solid state of water. Solid change into liquid on heating is called melting. Liquid change into gaseous state on more heating is called evaporation. Again, water vapor change into water on cooling known as condensation. And water again liquid change into solid on more cooling is called freezing. In this way, matter changes from one state to another state, like solid to liquid, liquid to gaseous state, and gaseous to solid state. Gases dissolved in liquids. Oxygen. Aquatic animals and plants breathe oxygen that is dissolved in water. Carbon dioxide. When you open the bottle of a soft drink after shaking, we see gas bubbles coming out of the liquid. This is carbon dioxide gas that dissolved in the liquid under pressure. Solids dissolved in liquids. Some solids easily dissolved in liquids like sugar, salt, etc. In this example, sugar is easily dissolved in water and we get sugar solution. So, sugar is solute. Water in which the solute dissolves is called solvent, and the water with sugar dissolved in it known as solution. Formula of solution is solute plus solvent equals to solution. Physical and chemical changes. When a physical change takes place, no new substance is formed, but there may be a change in the size, shape or state of the substance. It is known as physical change. Examples: cracking an egg, slicing bread, boiling water, fresh lemonade, lemon juice, mowing the lawn, एक्स्ट्रा घास को काटना. Chemical changes. When a substance undergoes a change and form a new substance, it is known as chemical change. Example: frying an egg, toast, lighting a match, baking a cake, fireworks, roasting a marshmallow, etc. फिजिकल चेंजेस में कोई भी मैटर का स्टेट चेंज हो जाता है. मतलब जैसे क्रैकिंग एन एग, अगर एग को हम फोड़ दिया जाए वो टूट जाता है, फिर उसका शेप चेंज हो जाता है. सो चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड today's topics very well. Read the lesson twice. It will help you to understand the lesson in a better way. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye students.